1 second, that's all it takes. A normal drive can turn into a nightmare before you even have time to react. In today's video, you'll witness some of the most unbelievable road accidents ever caught on camera. SUVs flying through the air, massive truck collisions, vehicles flipping multiple times, and drivers surviving crashes that should have been fatal. Every clip is real, every impact is terrifying, and every second is a reminder that one small mistake on the road can change lives forever. Stay with us until the end, because some of these crashes are almost impossible to believe. This dramatic dashcam footage from Atlanta, Georgia, captures the exact moment a gray Ford Edge crossover violently flips after veering and colliding with a pickup truck hauling equipment on a highway.
You good? Yeah, we're good.
The image shows a mobile crane that tipped over and partially lifted off the ground after getting caught by a sudden gust of wind while lifting a canopy on a film set at Sohu Hengdian World Studios in China. Local reports confirm that no injuries occurred during the incident. A speeding car attempted a dangerous overtake on a suburban road in Russia, but clipped another vehicle and lost control. It crossed into oncoming traffic and crashed head-on into a fuel tanker just seconds later. Authorities have not yet released the condition of the driver. The SUV appears to be violently flipping mid-air after making contact with another vehicle cutting across lanes. Despite the vehicle rolling approximately 6 times, the occupants miraculously escaped with only minor injuries. National Road 81, DK81, in Ocheby, Poland, recorded on November 4, 2019. The driver of the red tractor reportedly moved from the shoulder and attempted a maneuver or intersection crossing without a clear view of the traffic lights or oncoming vehicles, resulting in a severe T-bone impact from the black semi-trailer truck. Reports indicate a lapse in attention and failure to yield to the right-of-way on the wet roadway. Security camera footage from Tennessee captured the dramatic moment a white SUV Kia flew over a concrete barrier and crashed into parked vehicles outside Great Wines and Spirits on Poplar Avenue. The vehicle launched over a curb, a sign, a utility pole, and a fire hydrant before landing on top of parked cars. Fortunately, police reported that no one, including the driver, suffered serious injuries. A dark-colored car attempting to pass traffic crosses into the opposing lane directly in the path of an oncoming heavy truck. tow truck carrying a Volkswagen SUV lost control at an intersection and slammed into a waiting car, nearly tipping over on impact. A devastating multi-vehicle crash unfolded when a heavy truck collided with a small delivery van, crushing it near a passenger bus. The violent impact left the scene in chaos as bystanders watched in shock. A car launched off the Sanchez Street stairs in San Francisco, flipping through the air before crashing upside down onto the road below. Surprisingly, no injuries were reported, and the occupants fled the scene immediately after the crash. A white semi-truck collided with and wedged a smaller gray vehicle in its blind spot, dragging it along the roadway. A red Kowloon motor bus, KMB, double-decker on Route 960, collided with stationary highway maintenance trucks on Hong Kong's Tsing Kwai Highway on May 25, 2026. Every crash you've seen today happened in just a matter of seconds, but each one carries a lesson that could save a life. Remember, speed fades, but the consequences of one bad decision can last forever. Drive smart, stay alert, and make sure you get home safely. Thanks for watching. If you value real road safety content, don't forget to subscribe for more.